little bees. It's me again, Busy Mommy Princess. Are you ready to learn a new sight for today? Buzz. Yes, let's go. Our sight word today is the. The. T-H-E. The. Good job. Now, let's spell it together with clap. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Now it's your turn. Good job. This time, let's use the in 10 easy sentences. Repeat after me. The cat is sleeping. Your turn. Good job. The sun is bright. Good job. The ball is red. Amazing. The dog is barking. Great. The boy is running. Good. The girl is smiling. Keep going. The apple is yummy. Very nice. The bird can sing. Good job. The car is fast. Wow. The book is big. Great. Now let's say the 10 sentences together. The cat is sleeping. The sun is bright. The ball is red. The dog is barking. The boy is running. The girl is smiling. The apple is yummy. The bird can sing. The car is fast. The book is big. Buzztastic job, little bees! You just learned the word the and use it in 10 sentences. Keep practicing and you will be reading bee in no time. I'm Busy Mommy Princess. Don't forget to be kind and be smart. Bye-bye. See ya.